Forgetting your email or password can lock you out of your Xiaomi phone, especially with factory reset protection FRP. In this video, we'll show you what to do before bypassing FRP and share 4 effective methods to unlock your Xiaomi device. Part 1. What to do before bypassing Xiaomi FRP. Verify ownership, backup data, charge device, install tools, research methods, remove SIM or SD cards, understand risks, try account recovery, follow instructions. Part 2. How to bypass Xiaomi FRP via trusted tool. No risks. Right bracket. To remove the Xiaomi FRP lock without revealing any personal information. You may want to consider using Android Lock Wiper. How to bypass Xiaomi FRP lock via Android Lock Wiper. Step 1. Download. Initiate the process by downloading and installing the phone unlocker software on your computer. After installation, select the option labeled Remove Google Lock FRP and opt for Advanced Mode. Step 2. Start. Connect your Xiaomi device to the computer via USB cable, and then click the Start button to commence the Google Lock removal process. Step 3. Input. Follow the prompts to input your Xiaomi device information and click Next. Adhere to the on-screen instructions to access recovery mode on your device. Step 4. Verify on the following screen. Choose the correct PDA, country, and carrier. Then click Download to retrieve the necessary data package. Step 5. Unlock. Click Start to extract, and follow the on-screen instructions. To place your Xiaomi phone into download mode, enable USB debugging, activate OEM unlock, and extract the firmware. Ultimately, the program will initiate the unlocking of the Google Lock. Part 3. How to bypass Mi or Redmi or POCO FRP lock from network settings. Go to Network Settings, add network, enter random text in SID, and share via Gmail. In App Info, tap Notifications. Additional settings, then Help and Feedback. Search Delete and disable apps on Android. Tap Go to Application Settings. Enable Accessibility menu in Settings. Accessibility. In App Info, tap More, Show System, and disable Android Setup, Carrier Services, Google Play Services. Tap Next on the network screen. In checking for updates, tap the human icon. Google Assistant settings, then Google Play Services. Enable Google Play Services, return to checking for updates, and tap Accept. Google account verification is bypassed. Part 4. How to bypass Xiaomi Google Lock using ADB. Download and extract the ADB setup file. Run ADB setup exe and press Y to install ADB drivers. Press Y to close the command window. Connect your Android device with USB and enable USB debugging. Hold Shift, right-click in the ADB folder, and select Open Command Window here. Run the commands in the prompt to delete FRP, pressing Enter after each. Part 5. How to bypass Google FRP on Xiaomi using Talkback. Connect to Wi-Fi. Enable Talkback. Swipe, tap while using the app. Say, Google Assistant, open YouTube. Go to Profile. Accept, search Download FRP tools. Swipe down. Disable Talkback. Enable Accessibility menu. Force stop Android setup. Tap Start Skip. Enable Assistant. Tap Accept. Turn off Shortcut.